what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. We're going to dyno this Saleen, but before we do, I want to show you some QTP cutouts. This is one of my favorite mods in pretty much any vehicle. So let's go open them up so you can hear how they work. We'll check out the engine, then we'll do the dyno. Come over here. So right now these cutouts are closed. This car is running Z long tube headers and high flow cats through the factory Saleen mufflers, which is pretty quiet, but you want your car louder, you just take this, hit the open, just like that. Doug might get down here so you can hear a little bit. So basically all that does is it opens the exhaust up. So let's go up here, check out the engine compartment, talk about the mods we did, and we'll make some dyno pulls. Okay, so here's what we have. This is what we call our Stage 3 Saleen package. I will put links in the description. I'm going to go over everything on this car, but you might not be able to keep up or you might have more questions. Just check the description, look at the links. You can read more about it as well as how to get this installed in your car by emailing quote@brenspeed.com. So our Stage 3 Saleen package, it includes more boost, about 9 PSI. We're on a 3.4 pulley. Doug, take a look down here. We do the JLT air induction system. We do colder spark plugs, as well as a calibration. And then we do upgrade the fuel system with a kidney ball booster pump. That's a really good combination to add really good torque to the car, as well as make quite a bit more power. Now your Saleen may already have the blue 39-pound injectors. If it does, you won't need those. If you have like an 05 and you still have the black stock injectors, you will need to upgrade to the blue 39s in order to have enough fuel to support this power. We also installed our favorite Detroit rocker camshafts, gives it that muscle car sound as well as good power. And we did do the pipes, long tube headers with the high flow cats. You wanted this car pretty quiet, but then there are times, like I showed you earlier, you don't want it quiet, you just use the QTP cutouts. So that's the mods on this car right here. Let's make some dyno pulls. So here's where I ended up. Oh, and one more thing. So let's say you have a Saleen supercharger, but you don't have a Saleen Mustang. All those parts I just told you about work on your car as well. So it's basically for any Mustang that has a Saleen supercharger from 05 to 2010. So 497 rule, horsepower rated SAE. That peak power is about 6,300 RPM. And then our torque was 457. You guys know me, I like to keep that rear torque right around the 450 mark, which is where we're at. You really don't want to get this torque up around 500. That's a really good way to break a factory rod. But the rear wheel, I'm comfortable being around 450. This is a huge gain over stock because most of these cars, I think, would lay around, depending on your year, you might make around 400-ish rear wheel horsepower. Some make a little less, that 380 range, 400 maybe. And then torque is normally around that 380 range. So if you have a stock car putting this on, I mean, it's a huge noticeable difference. You might have questions about this, of course, leave a comment, happy to answer. Again, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Check that description. I will have some links at the end of this of some other Saleen Mustangs and other cool cars we build. Thanks for watching.